All right, Jonathan, I want you stop to celebrate the Filipino culture here in Quebec.
You want me to stop and you want me to adapt your
My
culture in
my
Quebec?
of
What
course.
culture you can offer to me? What?
Well, Saint Jean Baptist.
St. John the Baptist is not a culture, it's not yours. It's
Yes.
from the Roman.
We take the beer.
Beer is not yours, it's from the Irish.
Okay, Montreal Canadian Hockey.
Oh, it's a sports.
My God.
Basketball is better.
Basketball.
Yes.
No, we don't have.
Look,
we
you
we
have
don't
nothing to offer to us to stop celebrating the
Anyway,
Filipino
If
culture.
you don't want to go in the jail, you will stop to celebrate
No.
Filipino culture
Then I
in
will
Quebec.
continue celebrating the Filipino culture in the jail.
No. You don't understand.
You have nothing to offer us to stop celebrating the Filipino culture.
What is the definition of the culture for you? What is the definition?
Tradition.
Yeah, tradition.
Like
tradition.
nice dress, you know.
Nice
Parang
dress.
tagal, no?
Yeah, you know, dancing, you know, like this, like this. It's not yours, it's from the Indian.
Yeah, but it's stupid, your celebration.
No.
Yeah, you turn around the pot and you put the money on the soil.
Yes.
It's not
That's
nice.
how you make money.
Yeah,
Yes.
my goodness me. No,